Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque Monthly. This is actually for April. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, my Beauteque Monthly just arrived, and what they do is they always ship at the very end of the month. So you normally get it the first week of the following month, hence why I just received this today, and we are now in the beginning of May. But this is for April, and it's always worth the wait. This is my favorite, all-time favorite Korean skincare box, and I tell you guys all the time. So now when my mailman gave me this today, he's like, it was already open. I'm like, what do you mean it's already open? He goes, it was already open. So this was already cut. The tape was already cut. So I was like, oh great. So I had to open it to make sure that everything was in here, and it looks a little disheveled, and it appears everything is inside. I didn't like match it to the card because I kind of wanted to still have some kind of a surprise, but this is what we have inside. And this month it says Super Food, Super Skin, April 2019. Now, Beauteque Monthly does have one that's called Mask Maven, and I believe it's only like $15 or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's definitely cheaper than this one, and it's all skincare masks only. Now, I do this one because you always get at least one mask normally, plus amazing skincare as well. So I just go straight to the beauty box because I love the beauty box. Now, Beauteque Monthly is $24 a month plus shipping, and they always send you 6 full-size products. So in here will be our list of what we received this month, and it's it says don't kill my vibe. Don't kill my vibe. And let's get this open a little bit more, and we can kind of see what we're working with here. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing that I see on top, it's a brush, and it looks like it has a really cute little stand that you can put it on, and this stand actually has holes so water can go through, so it's not just sitting there, but there is the actual brush itself. Now for this guy, it says Sandbear, yes. Pore Control Cleansing Brush, valued at $8. Why we love it. Make exfoliating easy with this soft bristle brush that deep cleans your pores. The head of the brush has grooves to help clean even... The head of the brush has grooves to help clean every area of your face, and the handle fits perfectly into the palm of your hand. Yes, I received another little face cleanser in one of mine, and I have that little one that I got. So this little guy, I'm not going to open. I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. Sorry about my lights right there, but this looks like it would be a cool little face, little cleansing, brushing situation. It's just like I said, I have a few of them already, and I don't want this to go to waste. So I've normally never put anything from this box in a giveaway. Never. But this time I think I'm going to with this guy right here. I believe that's what I'm going to do. It does have, like, it says deep. Oh, it's a, yeah, okay. It says deep clean, and it looks like it has, yeah, you can kind of see the bottom has like little bumps or grooves where they're not the same size. So that's supposed to help get down in your pores. So there's that. Let's go ahead and move on to number 2. This says Farm Stay It's Real Pomegranate Gel Mist. Ooh, that sounds amazing. There is all that right there. This is valued at $11. It's Real Pomegranate Gel Mist. This jelly mist provides a cooling effect while moisturizing and hydrating your complexion. This pomegranate extract found within the mist has anti-aging properties and promotes skin cell regeneration. How to use. Shake before use. Hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from your face and close your eyes before spraying. Gently pat for absorption. Don't forget, close your eyes before. So that is actually really cool. Let me just spray some on my arm just so I can see. Okay, that is a very, very fine mist. I don't know if you could see that. Very, very fine mist. And all right. It feels nice. It's not like really cakey because you can see that this looks, you know, jellified. But when you spray it, it's a very, very thin, nice spray. So that's cool. I can't wait to start spraying that on my face maybe before I go in bed. Just a little spritz will do ya. Okay, so next says Happy Bath Facial Yogurt Foam. Ooh, and it looks like there is a kiwi and a lime on it, made in nature's Swiss yogurt. That sounds amazing. Look at that. Okay, so this guy right here is valued at $13. This cleansing foam extract kiwi, lime, and orange extract, which fights oil secretion and help brighten dark spots. It is made from Swiss yogurt enriched with vitamins, which help create a glowing complexion. Dispense a pearl-sized amount into your hands and form thick lather. Massage into your face in a circular motion and rinse thoroughly with warm water. So let's see, is it safety seal? Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells really good, you guys. And it's just like a white consistency, but it smells really good. And it's orange, kiwi, and lime. And even just that little tiny bit, you can see where it will lather up pretty nicely. So I'm really excited to try that. I'm always looking for face cleansers. So that one smells really good. Okay, so next item, it says, Dear Darling Water Tint, Etude House. And I don't do anything with tints, so this actually will probably, looks like Kool-Aid in there, will go in a giveaway. This right here is valued at $6. Darling Water Tint Cherry Aid. This water-based lip tint contains pomegranate and grapefruit extracts that are enriched with vitamins and hydrating ingredients which provide moisture for your lips. It absorbs quickly and has a long-lasting formula so that the tint will stay on all day. How to use? Apply starting at the center and work your way towards the edge of your lips. Let the tint dry before drinking or eating to avoid smudging. The star ingredient, apply a second or third coat for darker color. So the darker color you want, add more coats. So that is amazing. But again, I don't normally do lip tinting. I don't do lip tinting either. Lip tinting. So I'll go ahead and put that in a future giveaway for any of you guys to play around with. So the mask for this month is actually a foot mask. Normally it's a face mask. We've had a few hair masks, but this one is a shiny and soft foot peeling mask. Now I have one that I use all the time that I know works. A few of them that I've used in boxes before have not really worked for me, but I will definitely try this one out and see how this one works. So hopefully this one will work for me. This right here is $4, lemon shiny and soft foot peeling mask. Freshen up your feet and remove dead skin cells with this foot mask. It contains lemon and orange extracts to help exfoliate and brighten up your feet. How to use? Wash and dry your feet before applying. Let the mask sit on your feet for about an hour to an hour and a half. After removing, rinse with a lukewarm water. Now, when I use the one that I have, I put it on not knowing, and then like a week later, my feet and my ankles were tingling like there was no tomorrow. And I honestly felt like something was wrong. Because you know how like there's some things, I don't know what it is, but I've heard that, you know, like tingling feet, or there's certain things that can make your legs tingle or feel a certain type of way, and it means you have a problem. So for a few days, I was keeping this in, and I told myself, okay, if they still feel like this tomorrow, I need to tell my man about it, because I probably need to go to the doctor, because it was like a constant, like a tingle, numbing type of feeling in both of them, my whole like ankle, everything. And I'm like, thought something was wrong. Then the next day when I was gonna tell him about it, I took my sock off after work and my whole foot was just like all peeling. I was like, oh, that's why. And then the feeling went away because it was peeling. So I guess it was tightening up my skin to get it to peel. So if you ever do use one of these and you feel any type of tingling sensation or your feet feel really weird up to a week later, it's okay. That means it's doing its job. Just want to warn you guys because I was freaking out myself. I'm like, what is going on? Next, we have a cute little apple, you guys. Look how cute. This is apple and something else from Doll Kiss. And this is a therapy sleeping pack. So let me open this because this looks way too freaking cute. Way too cute. Okay, so this is Urban Doll Kiss, $18. Therapy sleeping pack. Oh, why we love it. This is an apple of our eye when it comes to sleeping masks. Looks just like an apple. Isn't that cute? Kind of looks like a peach on top, but nope, that is an apple. Apple extracts help fight oily skin and premature wrinkles. That is awesome. And it also soothes troubled skin. This sleeping pack works overnight to ensure a beautiful morning glow. How to use. Cleanse your face and apply toner to skin. Apply the sleeping pack as you would your nightly beauty cream and leave on overnight. Wash with warm water the next morning. See, I really like the ones where you don't need to wash them off the next morning because when I wake up in the morning, I'm starting my day and I'm completely forgetting. Like, I don't want to have to remember to wash something off, but I definitely want to try this out. So I'm going to need to remember to wash it off in the morning. But let's see what is in here. Is that literally a little tiny spoon right there? Like, what are you gonna do with this little guy? Is this really a spoon? It is. You can't use your finger. Look at this little tiny spoon. Like, what are you gonna do with that thing? I have no clue, but okay. Oh, then it just fell on the floor. To me, this smells kind of like peaches instead of apples, which I love peaches. So I am all for that. It has like an ivory colored tint to it, and it's kind of thick, but I don't know why you wouldn't just use your finger. I mean, that's what I'll do. I'll use my finger. Ooh, that feels really nice. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this. I love night sleeping packs. Like I said, normally, I have to find that little spoon somewhere. It went somewhere. Normally I use the ones that you don't need to rinse off like I already explained, but I'm really, really excited to use this one. And yeah, but that is like, they always have the cutest and the most unique packaging. I got the best banana lotion from this one and it looked just like a banana. It even had the sticker on there and it smelled just like banana. This smells really good. That smells really good. Okay, so that is everything that came in this month's box. Comment down below, let me know, did you like this box? I did. We got the really cute sleeping pack with a little tiny little spoon. We have the facial yogurt cleansing foam. We have the feet pack. We have this amazing real pomegranate mist. We have a lip tint and we have a face cleanser. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, you guys comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item. My favorite item are going to be, well, this is probably going to be amazing. But if I were to choose, I would say these are probably my favorite out of everything. But I always love my Beauteque monthly. But again, I'm going to go ahead and set these to a future giveaway just because I know I don't use lip tints and I wouldn't probably use this brush for a very long time. And I'm sure it works really good. So I'd rather one of you guys use that. So that will go to one of you guys. And that's a win-win for me. So thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.